If maybe Windows PC, maybe Windows 11 prompts you to update your WhatsApp and you're trying to update it from the App Store and from the Microsoft Store and nothing is working, it's queued, all right? This video walks you through on how to fix the problem for you to start using WhatsApp again as a desktop app. The first step you need to take is to uninstall the existing WhatsApp. Even if it's still unqueued on your Microsoft Store or you have closed your Microsoft Store. So first, let's go and uninstall the app. So I'll click here, then I'll click on settings. Once on this settings page, click on apps. On getting on apps to apps, click on uninstalled apps. So this will list some apps that are installed on your PC. So scroll until you get to that WhatsApp. You need to remove it. Okay. All right. So here is my WhatsApp. I'll click on these three dots and select uninstall. Once you select uninstall, you will have you see this text, this app and its related information will be uninstalled. Click on install. Okay. If maybe you're prompted to and you're asked whether you want this app to make changes to your PC, click on yes, okay, until you're done with the installation, uninstall, removal, okay. Then once you remove the existing WhatsApp, click here and then click on this power button and select restart. You need to restart your PC. So after restarting your PC, then let's do this. All right. So follow me. So once it restarts, open your web browser. It can be Google Chrome, it can be Microsoft Edge, all right, or any other browser of your choice. So here, let me go with Microsoft Edge. As your browser is launched, type WhatsApp web, okay, type that and search. So this returns some search results. You click on WhatsApp web. Okay, you'll be taken to this page, all right, showing this information. Our interest is not to, access WhatsApp on this web browser. We want to still have it as a desktop app. So scroll down until you get to this. This one says, try the Windows app. Okay, try the Windows app. So click on download. The file will be downloaded into your PC. Okay, you can see here is downloaded, so I can click on it or I can get to the downloads folder of my file explorer. But in this case, we may decide to click on it. So once you click on it, you will see a notification directing you on what to do, how to install this. You can see here is checking it will be installed. Okay. Or if you are prompted and you are asked whether you want this to make changes, you click on yes. And you will see a guide that will tell you on how to install, to link, take permission from the one that is installed on your PC. So look at it. Let's assume you're using iPhone in this case. So you tap on the WhatsApp app that is existing on your iPhone. Okay. Then tap on settings. Then tap on link devices and then select link device. You will scan this QR code here. So position your phone to scan this QR code here. All right. Once it scans that, and every permission is given, you can start using it on your laptop, and that fixes the issue.